It is an honor to be here at Period Proud 2025, a platform that brings attention to an issue too often ignored: menstrual hygiene, menstrual health, and the persistent reality of period poverty. These are not just health concerns, they are matters of dignity, equity, and human rights. I recall attending the first Period Proud event in 2023, not as Prime Minister, but as a concerned citizen and a woman of this country. I was deeply moved by the voices of young people and grassroots activists who broke through silence and stigma with honesty and courage. Today, I speak with the same conviction. Menstrual health is not a private or marginal issue. It is a public concern, a national responsibility, and a question of justice. The latest research focused on communities in Trincomalee, Kandy, and Colombo lays bare uncomfortable truths. Too many girls still miss school today because they lack access to menstrual products. Too many women turn to unsafe alternatives, and stigma continues to silence and isolate. This must change. We must act urgently and decisively to ensure that menstruation does not hinder anyone's health, education, or dignity. As Minister of Education, I can affirm that we have already started implementing a program to provide free menstrual products to all schoolgirls over the age of 13 years. I think we are hoping to access 1 million students with this initiative, with a focus on ensuring access for girls especially from low-income households. Our goal is straightforward. No girl should have to miss school because of her period. We are also exploring ways to give girls the option of reusable sanitary products from next year. We also want to expand this initiative and include awareness and education on reproductive health and menstrual hygiene for all girls. Affordability remains a major barrier. Advocates have rightly called for the removal of all taxes on menstrual products. While some progress has been made, comprehensive policy reform is essential. We are working closely with the Ministry of Finance to advance these reforms and invite the support of civil society and the private sector in this effort. However, access to products alone is not enough. We must ensure safe, hygienic, and dignified disposal systems. The absence of proper facilities in schools, workplaces, and public spaces contributes to both stigma and health risks. We are committed to developing national standards for menstrual waste management in collaboration with provincial councils and the Ministry of Health. Environmental sustainability must also be a part of our menstrual health agenda. Promoting biodegradable and reusable menstrual products alongside public awareness on safe disposal is critical. We welcome collaboration from innovators, businesses, and educators in advancing environmentally responsible menstrual health solutions. The name of this initiative, Collective Action Against Period Poverty, is not just symbolic. It reflects the truth that no single institution can tackle this alone. Governments, ministries, communities, youth, health workers, educators, civil society, donors, the private sector, international partners must work together. I thank the Embassy of France for their unwavering support and the Family Planning Association of Sri Lanka for its leadership and commitment. I think this leadership and your support is even more relevant today in a global context where these subjects are becoming marginalized, where feminist issues, women's issues are becoming increasingly harder to bring up on a global platform. So this kind of initiative and your vocal support of this is extremely important, and we truly appreciate it. The evidence presented today will inform stronger policy and programs. But beyond the numbers lie lived experiences of exclusion, of resilience, and of unmet needs. As we build an inclusive and just Sri Lanka, We must confront stigma, reject silence, and ensure that menstruation is not a barrier to full participation in society. This is not only a health issue, it is a feminist issue, a human rights issue, and a matter of social justice. Let us all move forward with clarity, solidarity, and determination to end period poverty in our lifetime. Thank you very much.